daughter who went through the program, and she was looking at applying to UTS, University of Toronto Schools, and they said on their website, please prepare. Everyone is smart, and they all prepare, so please prepare. And so I looked around for a program, and I selected the PrepSkills program. Well, it was fantastic, really, because there were a number of components to the testing, and as a parent, you don't really know what they're looking for, you don't know how they're going to test, but PrepSkills had that all figured out. They knew exactly what they wanted, and every year it changes, and they keep up with those changes. So you don't have to do that step, it's all done for you. And then they test the child to see where they're strong and where they're weak, and my daughter didn't really understand this component called analogies. Seemed to be a reasoning exercise, and she tested very poorly on the pre-test. And then as soon as they explained it to her and explained how it worked, and they took her through some examples, she excelled. She scored exceptionally well. So if she hadn't gone through the program, it would have made a significant difference. And then she became just very comfortable with the testing process. I think UTS did an outstanding job of preparing her well. It was a very good fit for her. It was a good move. I am very glad I didn't take the risk and just throw her into the admission process and hope for the best. I'm glad that I had her prepared. She was confident, she was comfortable, and she could really strengthen the areas that she wasn't initially strong in. And with the preparation, she became very strong right across the board. So there was also a component where they were doing interviewing. And my daughter's quite a shy child, so she, for example, would look down, and they had them talk about simple things that you and I would take for granted, but look at your interviewer, look them in the eye, speak confidently. And they did mock interviews, and then she did so many mock interviews that when she got to the real interview, she was very comfortable with it. And again, if you have a child that doesn't respond well to testing or gets very nervous in a test environment, doing all the practice tests makes the real test just seem like another practice test. So I think it's an excellent program. You do have to figure out what the best fit is for your child. Don't try to prepare your child for something that they won't fit into. For Natalie, UTS is an excellent fit. It's an excellent program for my daughter, and she is thriving. I think it's the place for her, and I think she's just grown so significantly, and I think the world is open to her now. She can really do anything she chooses to do. She's very well prepared.